Is it possible for somebody living outside of the United States to open a US bank account and get full access to Stripe? What if I told you that you, yes you, living in Africa, the Middle East, Caribbean, or Asia, you can legally open a US bank account, get full access to Stripe, and enjoy all the other amazing benefits that are normally reserved for American business owners? And you get everything for less than $2,000, even less than $1,000. In fact, you can get this completely set up for less than $500. Before I continue, my name is Belema and I'm a Nigerian launch strategist and six-figure agency owner. So far, I've helped over 200 students achieve the same result I'm about to share with you today. And I've done it all from the comfort of my home. Many of my students are from Nigeria, Chile, Jamaica, the Philippines, UAE, and so many other parts of the world. And here are 4 things you need to know about what I teach. You don't need to travel to the States to get this done. You don't need to spend all of your savings. The process is very simple and can be completed from start to finish in relatively no time, as opposed to what the experts will tell you. And it's 100% legal. That's right. No shady business, no hiding under the radar, and no backdoor methods. Everything is simple, straightforward, legal, and affordable. I explain everything in my free training video, so go ahead and click the link to watch it. I'll see you on the inside.